Algae are chlorophyll-bearing simple thalloid, autotrophic and large aquatic, both freshwater and marine organisms. They occur in a variety other habitats, most stone soils and wood. Some of them also occur in association with fungi, lichen, and animals. Example on sloth bear. The form and size of algae is highly variable. The single ranges from the microscopic unicellular forms like Chlamydomonas, colonia forms like Volvax, and to the filamentous forms like Eurythrix and Spirogyra. A few of the marine forms such as clips form massive plant bodies. The algae reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Each fragment develops in a thallus. Asexual reproduction is by the production of different types of spores, the most common being the zoospores. They are flagellated, motile, and on germination gives rise to a new plant. Sexual reproduction takes place through fusion of two gametes. These gametes can do but similar in size. Such reproduction called isogamous. Fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size, as in some species of Chlamydomonas, is termed as an isogamous. Fusion between one large and non-motile female gamete and a smaller motile male gamete is termed oogamous, volvox, or fucus. They are useful to man in a variety of ways. At least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on Earth is carried out by algae through photosynthesis. Being photosynthetic, they increase the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. They are of paramount importance as primary producers of energy-rich compounds which form the basis of the food cycles of all aquatic animals. Many species of Poriform, Laminaria and Sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large amount of hydrochlorides, water-holding substances. Example, algine, brown algae and kerosene red algae are used to commercially. Agar, one of the commercial products obtained from Galladium and Gracillera, are used to grow microbes and in preparation of ice cream and jellies. Cholera and Spirulina are unicellular algae rich in proteins and are used to focus supplements even by space travelers. The algae are divided into three main classes: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae.